Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam tagasngi. Kumshi benta ka jingya lanti rupa jang ka All India Poetess Conference AIPC Shillong ka kinhun kinong tho poetry ki banaka jala kalapanya ya ka jingphalang ya ka jingpuli poetry menha ka life hotrik uya yong hakrach law wala chmia. Ya ka thi ka jingrakhi burom ya ka jingdap arp sansnem ha ka jingyalam ka Professor Streamlet Dakhar Chairperson but President ke AIPC ke lapan sngau ya ke jingpuli poetry hakik tien bapher. Namargani ke daybet na benta ki kenthei knang bakin la ban kentiu ya ke sap bat ke khubor ka baki don ban sei ha ke imlang salang. Ki nong yalam kate ka kinhun ki kenthop ya ke kong silbi pasa kong minimon lalu bat ke samla Ivanisha pathau. Hagani ke sngi ki weipat ki nong tho kot bapau ke jelaru kilayo ban pinsngau ya lagi jongki poetry kaba kila pinphalang ya ka nam ka buram kilong shwa bat ki khubor ki bakta amat yong ya ka imlang salang kabri u hinyotram hinyoskum.
Ivanisha Pathau, we know her as a singer in the past, but then now she is better known as a poet because she has got Ms. Kipa, will you come here please? A very prestigious award, and that award is Emily Dixon Award for her very new collection of poems in English. And we are very happy that she's here in our midst, and we hopefully that we will hear some poems from her collection. And not only that, recently she got also another award. It's about, she will tell herself, the awards that, the achievement that she got recently. And we are also very happy for our very senior member. You know, when the fact that it will be in Guwahati, so that it will be a central place also for everyone to reach there. We need a central place where, you know, transportation and communication, secretary, nothing can happen. And number two, we don't have funding. When we spend more than 50
very tragic incident which has happened recently in Jammu and Kashmir. Pahalgram tragedy. Pahalgram tragedy, a nation plight. We mourn the loss and vow to fight against the forces that bring endless night. Our hearts unite in grief and pain, yet our resolve remain unbroken, unchanged. We stand as one against terror tide and ensure our nation peace and pride. The brave souls who left us too soon, their memory a flame that will forever burn. Their lives sacrificed in the name of religion, 25 lives gone forever on that region. Their smiles, their laughter slipped in vain. There goes only pain. We'll honor their courage and might and bring those responsibility to justice light. India will not falter, it will not fear. Terrorism grip will strive to clear. Will work endlessly, hand in hand, to bring a nation where peace stands. The innocent caught in terror snare, may their family be in God's blessings and care. Thank you.
Kasih. Narut kau shlong laban kaya kawa sirpi menba ngidang kenarit kau hakawa kasnur clear nisat ti sat kejat sat kemut sat kemat di jan pong nisat pum haum kam tam hakipor suti lelei wut niyar sya mensiam ka kemen kat no ka jing snow muja kena sinrang samla rang ba wat temen ru kumjo kia kwai dok ha kia sum kia sat kia muja andala dep ki kambaro sakalum kalang rengkat karwai kasiau kasnobha shalaying kilet kai biang ngaken mau dengong ha kapojor laba lapsan kawa sirpi kaslei dap semam hismam kipat ba na keleng kisuya pet kisuya ang syaduk pelau yeng ka meses dela latap lut daka hismam kat banang yat ki por ki semoy jing jak lia ki lesdang karoi baro de na ka jing bun ki pat nong wei nong ar bawan bu hai nong om de tang na ka snong laban bat wat na ki dong baya marjan ka daw ba daw san de ki jing bret jabo sepo kawa kat bamon mentale le ka juk omlong banyak pendan kam syuk wat ban pet ru la salia ki start wat benia ya mariang ya ki wa ki ya ong bakawa sirpi kalayap don jengker ben syuk long tang jingsa ken mau ki tu ki por bala lino.
I have this deep respect for him. I want to try to express in Bengali. Let our Bengali people, those who can read and write Bengali, they read this and know about him. This I wanted. Khasi paharer mohan kobi u soso tham. ছিল নিত্য অভাবের সাথে সংঘর্ষ ছিল দেশ কালের সাথে জীবনের সকাল থেকে সায়াহ্ন তোমার কেবলই সংঘর্ষের ইতিহাস তবু তুমি যাওনি তো থেমে জীবনভর দুঃখের তাপে জলে পুড়ে নিজেই শেষে খাঁটি সোনা হলে বৈভবের বাসনা তোমার ছিল না অন্তরের ধনে তোমার হৃদয় জুড়ে রহস্যময়ী প্রকৃতি সুন্দরী রানী শ্রান্ত হলে স্মরণ নিতে তাঁরই আঁচলে চিরহরিৎ গাছের উন্নত শির সুনীল আকাশের ব্যাপ্তি কলসরা ঝর্ণা আর পাখিদের মুখরতা মুছে নিত সযত্নে তোমার যত অবসন্নতা বুক ভরে নতুন উদ্যমে আবার তোমার পথ চলা আবারও সংঘর্ষ তবু রুদ্ধ করতে পারেনি তোমার অবিরাম গতি মাতৃভাষার আধ ফোটা কলিকে
kilong ki atia keburam tak ke itia jong orang ba ke Jaidbynriew kilong beliau mandi adreng tuan yotra nama turam kenum jakle lagi kenam ki yang ban sakhi hakaniam rustun badwiti pandala khun lakti kekur kejam kumukuni pandaya kari Jaidbynriew nakinungshun kabrusni kumjuru apa yasyak thong kipenyang uskum anjak ikathong kipenyang lagarasam ish